In SAP Analytics Cloud, we can import files and create models from Excel, CSV, or text files saved on file servers. This lets us schedule data updates from the server, which is not possible when we create models based on local files. We can create a file server connection in the connection area or as part of the process of creating a model. In this case, we'll create a connection while creating a model. Here, we need to choose the Import a File option. We can choose a file from the local system or a file server. Note that the option to import from a file server is available only if the system administrator has enabled the option in the System Configuration area of SAP Analytics Cloud. Note that there's also an option to allow models to be exported to a file server. As well as setting these options, the administrator needs to create a whitelist file on the system where the SAP Analytics Cloud agent is installed that specifies one or more file server paths for access. Refer to the application help for details. When we choose the file server option, we can choose an existing file server connection or create a new one. In the Connection Details area, first we need to specify the SAP Analytics Cloud system where the file server whitelist is configured. When only one system is configured, default is the only option. Next, we need to enter the folder path we want to access. Only paths configured in the whitelist file or their subfolders are permitted. The connection has been created. Now we'll choose the file to import. We can browse or search using keywords. Based on the file type, additional options display. For CSV files, we can choose whether to use the first row as column headers and specify how the data fields are separated in the file. Here, we'll use the Auto Detect option. During data preparation, we can perform a range of tasks such as resolving data quality issues, enriching geographic dimensions, creating hierarchies, and defining dimension attributes. Refer to the relevant videos for more details. Thanks for watching.